Hi, it's Nigel again. In my last video we were burning an image so that we can start on our banner system, and the end of the video we landed up here. So what do we do next? Well, we need to go to uploads. We need to upload the image that we had earlier. I had Nigel Baby Burn. Sounds a bit rotten, doesn't it? Baby Burn. And then as soon as that is uploaded, we can move that over onto our canvas, just like that. Choof. Easy peasy. Now we want a nice background, so usually I just go out onto Google and I say, like, if I want to background yellow, maybe. We've got lots and lots and lots of yellows. Count these images that they have. That's nice and happy colouring. So now really you can take sort of next to whatever you want. It needs to stand out a bit. So well, this looks a bit nice. Bits of different. So we save the image as yellow background. Go to our little camera, and then we need to upload our notes and downloads. See where you went. There we have yellow background. Let's see. Now we've got a bit uploaded, we just lift that over here, and then we just pull it to size. See as it's no specific. And that in there, so that's plain and simple. So on top of that we want to have some sort of text. We can move this text in here. See, it comes right into the middle, and then we can add some sort of information. Now I usually take my information from my opt-in page, whatever it is and whatever you promote. I can so we can say discover the fastest way. Copy that. We can put that in here. Right, pull that out. Let's go the fastest way. Now as you see, you can copy these, so you can make different images over and over again. We want to make about four images. They're about the same. So this one we're going to change. So let's go the fastest way. One. Done. We download that, and we want JPG. See, that's done. That's done in our downloads. Now we want to change this text again. go with the fastest. Okay, he missed the way. That wasn't good. So we're going to have to change the size of that. So we'll take 18. There we are, right in the middle. So we download that one. So we go back to our web site, discover the fastest way. We have full-time income online. Full-time income. Paste that in there, and then we go here, we change our little number there to 2, done, download, as I was saying earlier, you can copy these over and over again, so we can have like 4 straight away that we make. Problem is, when you download them, I found that only one text is left, and then the images are the same, but there's no text in the other 3 if you do, for example. So now we're done with that. That's number 2. Build a full-time income. With a secret, we just take the secret. Copy that. Go back to our design there. Paste that in. Give it a shout out. Do that as a 3. That's done. Download that. So let me go back to our page. Money grabbing system. Full on that. Download that. See, download. So now we're finished with our nice little banner. That was quite simple, don't you think? So let's see where we have to go now. We're going to go to a place. We don't need that. Background yellow, we don't need that. Don't need to translate anything. And let's see what we can do. We need to go to givemaker.me. See? Now we can upload images. We want to go to downloads, that's where all our nice images went. There we are. Yeah, we had that problem there with us, so you have to make sure you don't get the ones that let's see what happens to those. That's 4 away. That's 2. Let's see what we've got here. Move them all around. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We open those. See, did that build? And you get in it. I think do it again. Upload the images. And downloads. So sometimes it can be a bit of a nuisance. Oh dear, what has it done here now? Not that one. 2, 3, and 4, and open. See, that's much better. Discover the fastest way. Build a full-time income. And then you can take these and move them around. Build a full-time income. Discover the fastest way. Build full-time. With secrets. Build a full-time income with a secret. Discover the fastest way. Money grabbing system. Now, again, you can put that up to, I usually put it to 1,000. If you can just get it there. Really sensitive. There we are. So, nice and easy. Create a GIF animation. View the GIF. View the GIF. Discover the fastest way. Money grabbing. Build a full-time income with a secret. Discover the fastest way. Money grabbing system. Blah 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 blah. See? Now we downloaded that. So now we've got a nice place. So that's going to be the end of this little video. And I'll put down the links underneath the video so you can find them. And I think that'll be all for today. So thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.